Welcome. Today we will learn about a simple word. The word is age. Let's discover what it means together. Age tells us how old something is. When we talk about age, we are talking about time. Time helps us understand age. People have age. Every person has an age. Some people are young. Some people are old. Everyone has a different age. What does young mean? Young means not many years old. What does old mean? Old means many years have passed. A baby is young. A grandparent is old. Animals also have age. A puppy is a young dog. An old dog has lived many years. All animals grow older with time. Things around us have age too. A new car is young. An old car has been used for many years. Everything has an age. How do we know someone's age? We count the years. We use calendars and birthdays to know age. Counting helps us understand age. A year is a long time. 1 year has 12 months. When 12 months pass, we add 1 year to our age. Months are smaller than years. There are 12 months in 1 year. Babies grow month by month. Months help us measure age. Days are even smaller. Many days make 1 month. The sun rises and sets each day. Days help time move forward. Birthday is a special day. On your birthday, you celebrate your age. You become 1 year older. Birthdays are happy times. Age changes us. When we are babies, we are small. As we grow, we become bigger. Age changes how we look and feel. Growing up means getting older. We start as babies. Then we become children. Later we become adults. Growing up is part of age. Nature has age too. A small plant is young. A big old tree has lived many years. Trees show their age through their size. Some things are very old. Old buildings have stood for many years. Old books were written long ago. Old things have history. Young things are new. A newborn kitten is very young. A fresh flower just bloomed. Young things are at the start of their age. We use numbers to count age. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Numbers tell us exactly how old something is. Counting is important for age. We use special words for age. Baby means very young. Child means young person. Adult means grown person. Elder means old person. These words help us talk about age. People everywhere celebrate age differently. Some have big parties. Some have quiet celebrations. All cultures respect age in their own way. Age is about time passing. As time moves forward, age increases. Time and age work together. They cannot be separated. Age is important in life. It tells us when to go to school. It tells us when to work. It tells us when to rest. Age guides our life. Different ages enjoy different things. Children love to play games. Adults work and care for families. Older people enjoy peaceful activities. Every age has its own joy. Stories teach us about age. Books have characters of all ages. Stories show how age affects people. We learn from these stories. Families have people of many ages. Grandparents are older. Parents are in the middle. Children are younger. All ages live together in families. As we get older, we learn more. Young children learn to walk and talk. Older children learn to read and write. Adults know many things. Learning continues at every age. Age affects our bodies. Young bodies are strong and fast. As we age, our bodies change. We must take care of our health at every age. Age helps us choose our work. Young people go to school. Adults have jobs. Older people may retire. Age and work are connected. We show respect to older people. They have lived longer. They have more experience. Helping older people is kind and good. Remember to follow Wordscience for more lessons. We make learning fun and easy. Wordscience helps you learn new words every day. Keep learning new words. Words help you speak and understand better. Learning is a journey that lasts your whole life. Thank you for learning with us today. We hope you enjoyed learning about age. See you in the next lesson.